Woo! Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, welcome to Gunpla Show, and I am back, and I'm back in Gunpla, and some building, some things, some toys, yeah, and I'm also going to have this video next time. I need to build this, yeah, for our convention, and yeah, so much for that. Again, as I said, I'm done with the Beyblade X and some Beyblade stuff here. Yeah, I finished it, some of my remaining Beyblade kits, and now I'm open and back to the Gunpla and some other toys, man. So happy for that. Yeah, Beyblade is not so burning out on me, but still, yeah, I also miss this one. And yeah, so much for that, man. Let's go. And I will have an unleashing for today. Yes, unleashing first, okay? Because after that, I will go with the some backlog builds, not builds, but backlog reviews, speed build videos, and some quick look, and also reviews of some kits that I've already built, but I've been lost track on the editing it because yeah, too much. I'm very busy on my job last time, and yeah, summer vacation here is almost over, so yeah, I need to go back to Gunpla, man, because after that I will go back to my job, and then maybe more business. Yeah, business and busyness next time. Okay, so let's go, let's unleash this one. Woo. And I have here, oh, it has the name, and I already know it, and I really love to have this one because yeah, this is one of the most unique and new, very new Gundam, and a really new kind of Gundam that we will have here. Yeah, it's Bandai. Yeah, I will tell you it's Bandai. For bootlegs, I still have many bootlegs right here that I need to build also. But yeah, okay, let's go. Let's unleash this one with my Rusty Puzzle Trusted Ravenite. Let's go. Let's unleash this. Let's go. We have it, and I would like to welcome this kit on my backlogs also, but yeah, I think I will have a priority for this one. Yeah, I'm always saying that to some other kits, but yeah, still they're on the backlog paradise. But yeah, for now, maybe I will give this a priority because this is very nice, man, and very new, and yeah, it's on the trend also, but still I don't really follow the trend. Whatever goes, and what I really like to build is what the thing that I will really build. But this one, I really like to build this one is I want to have some new and fresh experience in building. Yeah, not those redundant kind of building something and then it's just okay, it's just like the other one, the other Gunpla or the other Gundam units, and also some other units, kind of some bootlegs also. Yeah, so let's go, and let me introduce you the this is your HG Mobile Suit Gundam G-Quax. Yeah, we call this G-Quax, but you can call this also as GQQ. Then it has 6U, then X. Yeah, so that's why we call this Gundam G-Quax. Wow, I don't know how. Yeah, GQX. Yeah. So it depends on you on how you will read that, but for me, it's Gundam G-Quax, okay? So this is a very new and very very authentic, yeah. But as we know, and I think it, some of you already know, that this unit belongs to the Universal Century, man. Yeah, as I know, this belongs to the Universal Century because the timeline, I don't know if it's an alternate universe. Yeah, I'm still on the second episode. I still not finished watching the Gundam G-Quax. It's on Netflix already. But yeah, from the Universal Century and having this kind of design is a little bit very weird, but still very interesting. And yeah, they say that it has some stickers, but I don't care for it. If I can paint it, then let's go, let's have it. It still depends. Yeah, when I'm reviewing it, I'm reviewing a kit, I always tell you that it depends on the skill and ability of the builder on how they will show the build of a Gunpla. Okay, so yeah, you can see there, it's just an illustration, but it's really intriguing that on how this kit will come up, and I want to see my expression also, or my reaction on this build, because it's very different, man. And I know the axe here is from the Zaku. Yes, we also have Zakus here. And the one that is very weird also is that when I knew and I saw that kit, or that unit, it's in a shape of a GM, but it's called Gilgog. Yeah. It's very, very weird, man. And there's some other kits also that we really anticipated, and some kits that we can't really imagine that will be on this new series. Yeah, but as I know, on this series, the timeline is very different, because yeah, the one who got the Gundam is not Amuro but Char, and Char changed the Gundam, the very first Gundam in this universe, to red. So it's like the Casval unit of the RX-78-2 becomes the Casval because it's on the red one. But yeah, here it's got by Char Aznable, and the design of the Gundam also is very, very different. Okay, so I hope there will be an HG on that red Gundam. I am really waiting for that. They already have some metal build Gundam of that, and also the red one, which have additional weapons. Yeah, I'm waiting, and if we'll release in HG, I will go and get that also. Yeah, okay, so much for that. This kit will also have an unboxing, a speed build, yeah, because it's an HG and a Bandai. So if it's Bandai, we can really have some speed build on that, because yeah, the fitting issues, maybe we will not have those. And also we'll have a speed build and quick look, and then the very most important is our full review of this kit next time. Okay, so I will review some other of my reviews, because a little bit I really forgot how I review kits. Yeah, honestly, a little bit. Yeah, I just really forgot. So I need to see some of my reviews so that I can see the pattern on how I do it. So I can really say that it's Beyblade X fault. No, it's not. It's my work. Yeah, it's really my day work. It's really exhausting. Last school year, and yeah, for this time and the remaining days of our vacations, I will really try to have more Gunpla related vlogs. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification button for our next videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing, and yeah, for staying on our channel. And yeah, I hope see you again. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and God Prepare Show signing off, and I'm back. That's it. Thank you, and peace out. Bye. Woo! So if you reached this part of my video, please comment down there below hashtag Jake the Gunpla Reviewer, and get the chance to be shout out on our next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you, and peace out.